Hi, my name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. You can look at our website at allthingsdrain.com. Today we're in Middletown, Connecticut. Customer said they had a partial main sewer line blockage that keeps on clogging and then going away. Also wants us to locate an outside clean out that he has so he has easier access into the line. Stay tuned. Welcome back. We have found out what's going on with this sewer line. The 4-inch cast iron sewer pipe, where it connects to a 6-inch clay tile, had a root infestation that was growing into a joint. Now what we did is we were able to eliminate all these roots, get it nice and clean, and we're going to show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like. 4 to the 6-inch line, completely derooted, nice and clear. Thank you for checking out All Things Sewer and Drain Care. We appreciate you checking out our video.